In front of me is Honor Pad V9, and today I would like to show you how you can change a display refresh rate. Begin by opening Devices Settings. Now scroll down a tiny bit to click on Display and Brightness over here. Then scroll down again and this time click on Screen Refresh Rate. Now it's time to apply any of those options by clicking on the best one for you: Dynamic, Standard, Medium or High. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, go back. As you can see, after that, screen refresh rate of my tablet has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!